Has this happened to you, vinaigrette that's just too sharp and acidic?
Don't worry, I've got 5 easy ways to fix vinaigrette that's too acidic. First, consider the type of vinegar. White vinegar has a very sharp and harsh flavor. Red wine vinegar is also pretty strong. Something milder is white wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar. For another mild flavored vinegar, go to rice vinegar. For a more decadent flavor, reach for a nice aged balsamic vinegar. It'll add a touch of sweetness as well. I almost forgot, you can use lemon instead of vinegars too. Number 2 is just add a little bit more oil. Some people actually prefer a 3-to-1 ratio. That's 3 parts oil to every 1 part of vinegar. Tip number 3 is add some sweetener. Even half a teaspoon of white granulated sugar will just mellow out that acid. And there's all kinds of sweeteners you could add, from honey to maple syrup to jam to regular old sugar. Tip number 4 is turn your vinaigrette into something creamy by adding some mayonnaise or yogurt or sour cream or avocado or nut butter or whatever your heart desires. Tip number 5 is add some fresh herbs to your vinaigrette or add a pinch of salt. It too will mellow out the acid a little bit. Let's try it. Oh, so much better. It's a lot creamier and thicker. That's better.